Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with eBay listing error and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually as of right now it seems that when you do get a listing error on eBay, it might be like there might be multiple reason or just one specific reason why you are getting that specific error. So basically the most or one of the common ways that you actually can get errors on your eBay listings is, as you can see, your product title and or description may contain prohibited content. So as you can see, like words for this one, as you can see, or this one, or words like new, URLs or links to website that are not ebay.com, as you can see, email, website, postal address or phone number, information about your physical location. So some of these things right here are actually prohibited to be used for your product, just so you know. So if you have actually entered any of these ones right here, as you can see, if you overstepped any of these ones, then that might be the reason why you actually get listing error on your eBay products, basically, or what you're trying to sell on eBay. And to be able to fix that, you will just need to remove the some of these words right here, or all of them if you have it, and then just rewrite your description for your product. Just redo it completely, and then once again try, obviously, and hopefully that will be able to fix it. But also, as you can see, if you're right now a new eBay seller and you don't have any previous listings, that might be also why you're getting actually errors on your listing if you're trying to list, for example, using, as an example, Printify, as you can see. So you're listing from Printify, so you use a third-party seller, I guess, to be able to list on eBay. So if you're a new eBay seller, you need to actually your first item, or your first eBay listing, they need to actually be created directly on eBay to be able to actually potentially be okay or not get any error, just so you know. And you can also have reached your eBay selling limit. So eBay requires its sellers to follow a strict selling limit. You will actually be able to also know exactly what your kind of limits are. You should be able to know them on your eBay account as well. So if you have gone over your eBay selling limit, that might be also one of the reasons why you're getting the error. And another thing, which is very unfortunate, obviously, but if your eBay account is temporarily suspended or restricted, then that might also be one of the reasons why you're getting the listing error. But hopefully this video will be able to actually clarify to you the reasons why this might be happen and how you can potentially fix it.